Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today I'm going to give you a closer look at the Tusk UHMW Quiet Glide Adventure skid plate for the CFMoto IBEX 800. Now, there's a few benefits with this. It's a big upgrade over the stock skid plate. Let's start out with this 1/4 inch UHMW overlay. So this is Quiet Glide. When you hit obstacles, it's a little bit quieter than hitting something with bare aluminum. It also glides over the obstacles, unlike aluminum, and it's going to help with impact absorption and just add to the overall strength of the skid plate. Then with the 3/16 inch aluminum, this is going to give you full coverage, side to side, front to back. So it's giving you that added protection for your engine and your exhaust. With that being said, I also want to show you guys how to get this installed. It's really simple to do. Let's get into it. All right, to get this installed, you've got 4 shorter bolts, 2 longer ones. The 4 shorter ones, they're gonna be for the front mounting locations. These 2 longer ones are gonna be for the back. All of them we're gonna use a little bit of blue thread locker on. So I'll start with the very front 2 mounting locations. And we'll move to the 2 middle bolts. We're gonna leave everything a little loose. Then we have the 2 longer bolts in the back. And with everything loosely installed, we can go ahead and adjust the skid plate from side to side, as well as front to back. Once you have it where you want it, go ahead and tighten all the hardware down. And we're just gonna be using a T30 T-handle and a Torx bit for all of this hardware. All right, with everything tightened down, I am ready to go ride. Now, if you need a skid plate for your bike, you can find them on our website. Just click the link in the description below. Orders over $75 ship free. And hey, if you want to see more helpful content like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.